Hello, fellow travelers! The place you're about to see became available relatively recently. The restoration that started in 2006 opened up possibilities for hiking within this abandoned military facility that used to be off-limits for the general public. I'm talking about the chunk of coastal land located northwest from the Golden Gate Bridge between Muir Beach and Marin Headlands. The area is vast, and today we will focus on getting to a particular spot called Tennessee Beach. The name refers to an unlucky steamship that ended here her earthly journey after missing the foggy entrance to the bay in 1853. Most of the visitors reach the Tennessee Beach through Tennessee Valley. It's approximately a 3.5-mile round trip from a trailhead at the south end of Tennessee Valley Road. However, we decided to reach the place through a network of small trails along the coast, starting from the parking lot near Rodeo Beach and leading through several military installations. If you decide to repeat this trip, make sure you study the trails well because not all of them lead to Tennessee Beach, and those that do are quite steep. There is a trail that runs along the cliffs. It's quite wide and easy to walk along, so we took it on the way back. At the end of the trail, you will find a labyrinth, or a spiral maze made of rocks to be precise, and of course, the breathtaking ocean views to enjoy. That's if you want to take it easy. However, to reach the Tennessee Beach, hidden between the cliffs, you'll have to climb up using Coastal Trail towards Battery Townsley. That's okay, because you can stop there for a few minutes to catch your breath and explore bunkers that used to house really huge guns. The 68-foot-long barrel of one of those guns is still there, and you can walk around to appreciate the destructive might of this device. It was removed from a battleship in 1944 and installed here to protect the harbor of San Francisco. Fortunately, the guns were fired only for target practice. 100 or so soldiers lived here during World War II and were regularly doing their rigorous military drills. Note that the battery has two bunkers. One has a gun barrel at the entrance, and another one can be reached through an obscure tunnel on the north side of the hill. It's a really cool place nowadays, since it has a water hole inhabited by newts and frogs. If you are patient enough, you can spot a newt surfacing from the depths of the pond, right from the place where monstrous artillery equipment was mounted once upon a time. We then went uphill and without reaching Battery Unknown, took the coastal trail in the western direction along the slope of the hill. Soon we started a steep descent, navigating several alternative paths and taking breaks to let our knees rest. You have to be cautious on the way down because the ground is covered with little rocks, making the trail really slippery. Finally, we reached the beach where we spent an hour or so eating homemade sandwiches and relaxing before retracing our steps back to Rodeo Beach. The Tennessee Beach has dark brown gravel consisting mostly of tumbled pieces of radiolarian chert that used to be part of the nearby cliffs. There is a little bunker on the top of the cliff, making it look like a lonely outpost at the end of a civilized world. There is also an ark, by the way, but it collapsed in 2012. Thanks a bunch for watching. If you want to see more weekend travels in San Francisco Bay Area, please subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, consider pushing that like button. Thank you, and good luck!